Choosing the right product to mount the outdoor unit of a mini-split system is important when doing an install. Overall, you need to find the best option that will keep the unit secure and stable, protect it from the elements, and allow for easy access for any maintenance or repairs that may need to be done. In this video, we're going to cover 3 factors that should be considered to figure out which equipment mount is best for the job. Typically, there are 3 main categories of products to mount a mini-split condenser: pads, stands, and wall brackets. Each has its advantages and disadvantages, but it always comes down to the application. Now, let's get into the 3 factors. The most important factor is making sure every mounting option you're considering is compatible with the manufacturer's specifications for the unit. The mount must accommodate both the size and weight of the condenser to ensure a secure installation. Depending on your geographic location, be sure to keep these in mind. Building codes. These may dictate where the mini-split condenser can be placed. Some areas may require the unit to be mounted on the ground, while others may require it to be on a wall. Take into consideration whether your region gets lots of rain or snowfall at different times of the year. That could require the unit to be further off the ground. By installation location, we're referring to the spot where you're actually going to mount the unit. The best location for the condenser takes the following into account. Accessibility. The outdoor unit needs to be in a place that's easily reached for maintenance or repair. Clearance. The system needs proper airflow and ventilation for optimum performance. Refer to the manufacturer's specifications for minimum requirements. Distance from the indoor unit or units. The condenser should be installed within the recommended distance from the air handler inside to ensure proper operation. There are certain scenarios where it makes sense to use a pad as the mount for the condenser. Ground conditions. If the ground is either soft or unstable, a pad provides a solid and stable base, whereas a stand may cause the unit to become unlevel over time. High winds. In areas where high winds are a factor, anchoring the outdoor unit to a concrete pad will prevent it from becoming dislodged or damaged. A pad can also be used as an additional support mount for an equipment stand, providing more weight and stability. Mini-split stands are the best option when the outdoor unit must be off the ground. Some areas' building codes may require a certain height off the ground. Stands should also be the primary option when the area is prone to snow or flooding. The height will keep the unit away from hazards and ensure that the system will continue to run efficiently. Space is the biggest advantage when choosing a wall bracket to mount the mini-split condenser. There may not be the necessary ground space to install a pad or stand, where the wall bracket allows for the unit to be installed closely to the exterior wall. Don't forget the minimum clearance from the building to maintain the required airflow. To learn more about the complete range of HVAC equipment mounting products for mini-split and conventional installations, please visit us at www.DiversiTech.com.